Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this official Apple t-shirt. So this is you can only buy this from these shirts from the Apple Park Visitor Center in Cupertino. So this is a new shirt from the Visitor Center. It's an Apple Park Rainbow Arch t-shirt. Or arc. Cool, let's open this. Comes in a nice Apple. It's a nice Apple box. Official merch. Recyclable. Crunchy sounding recyclable. Wow. Cool. So this rainbow arc is in Apple Park, and yeah, it's cool. Shows Apple Park on it. Nice white color. Apple logo, medium, made in Vietnam. Oh, what does the back say? Oh, back says Apple Park in California 95014. That's Cupertino zip code. Anything else? Nothing else on the sleeves. I don't see anything else. Yeah, I don't see anything else on the sleeve. And then I'll show you the tag. Apple Park Rainbow t-shirt, size medium. Nice white short sleeve. Yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you are doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.